In this video, I'm going to walk through how to format numbers in Excel, just some basic formatting. I'm using Office 365 Excel on a computer running Windows. The process is the same on a Mac. Here's a partial income statement without formatting. We want to format the first column of numbers as numbers with 0 decimal places and thousand separators, and the second column as percentages with 2 decimal places. First, select cells B5 to B7 by clicking in B5 and holding down the left mouse button while dragging down. Right-click and select Format Cells. Select Number, 0 decimal places, and use 1000 separator, and then click OK. The first column of numbers is now formatted. 1000 separators makes the number easier to read. Next, we are going to format the percentages. Select cells C5 through C7. Right-click and select Format Cells. Select percentage and 2 decimal places and then click OK. The partial income statement is now formatted with numbers and percentages. That's it. We are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz and is part of the Excel Skill Builder video series. See accountinganalytics.com for additional faculty and student resources.